Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be going over my January budget and exactly how I spend my money for the month. To start the month, I had $2,399.70 in my checking account, and I ended up getting 2 paychecks this month. In total, I had $460 deposited, and that is what I used to budget for the month. The rest of my money goes to savings, investing, and my retirement account. So essentially, I never see it. This is a great way to save because it's automatic, and because I have limited access to it, I am less tempted to spend it. Now, this was a lower income month for me, but thankfully I had several refunds in December and January. This caused me to have a positive balance on my credit card, so I didn't have to pull any money from savings to pay for my expenses for the month. In total, I had $4,195.93 worth of returns. In the month of January, I had a total of $7,055.63 to work with. This includes returns, my paycheck, and the starting balance in my checking account. In terms of actual spending, I spent $225.44 on groceries. Gas for my car was $91.67. My housing costs, which includes association fees, insurance, and property tax, was $651. My dental insurance is $36.49. Medical insurance, $387.17. Internet is $49.99. And I didn't have a cell phone bill for this month because I was previously on a prepaid plan, so I had already paid for the month of January. So on my February budget, you can see the total amount that I will be paying from now on for my cell phone bill. Utilities or electricity for this month was $67.78. And then my car insurance works out to be $80 a month, and I usually pay that twice a year, so every 6 months. Next up is my credit card, and as you can see, I have a $0 payment because, as I said previously, I had a credit on the account. My subscriptions work out to be $13.99 a month, and for home renovation, I spent quite a bit of money, so $2,346.45 for the month. I ended up getting lighting, cabinet pulls, hooks, home decor, and a faucet for my bathroom, as well as some tile samples. Now, as I said in my February budget, I will be renovating my home this year, so if you're interested in that type of content, definitely stay tuned. Next up is clothing and shoes, and I spent a total of $432.55. Work expenses were $158.30. Travel and dining was $741, and that was just some takeout that I had from Panera. Skincare was $29.67. That's because I bought some face washes. Personal care, spent a total of $28.45 for a body scrub and a dental guard because I have an issue grinding my teeth at night because I somewhat type A / have anxiety, so sometimes that manifests in my sleep by me grinding, so I decided to finally get a dental guard after some prompting from my dentist. Next is sleepwear, and I spent $16.76. I had a medical bill for $115.58. And then for business, I spent $13.16, and that is for my website Bonjour Barnes, if you haven't checked it out. And it's essentially a replication of this channel in that I talk about my life and money. However, I spent all of last year developing it, so there's about 6+ months of content on there, unlike my YouTube account. However, I intend to remedy that this year, so definitely stay tuned. But if you want some finance content in the meantime, definitely check that out, and I will put a link in the description box. Then finally, I spent $75 for the gym. So for the month of January, I spent a total of $4,823.84. So that leaves me with approximately $2,231.79 in my checking account for February. If you haven't already, you can check out my February budget in the card that should be popping up now. So how has your budgeting been for the year so far? Let me know in the comments below. For more life and money content, be sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.